How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm super excited to be coming back with another video, you guys. I'm going to be doing a mukbang once again. I actually enjoyed the last mukbang with you know, trying the baddie sauce. I thought that was a really good sauce. Oh my gosh, it's so bomb. As a matter of fact, it's gone, but I digress. But yeah, so today in this mukbang, I'm going to be having a Fanta pineapple and some jerk food from my local jerk house. So yeah, you guys, I want to kind of make it so you guys can see. I have this little table here, y'all. I'm trying to make it work. Like I said, I'm trying to make it work, y'all. Trying to make it work. So yes, I don't know. Maybe I'll just start eating and then I'll start talking about something because I'm not quite sure what to even talk about. But this here is good. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Oh, it's spicy. Mm. Oh, it's spicy. I should have told them no spice. Y'all, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm gonna finish this food because I'm not. Like, every time I get jerk house, I never finish it. I always like eating, like, save it for the next day. So, but yeah, y'all, I like to wipe the lid, y'all, because I'm just so picky. Like, this chicken looks so good. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. So, I hope you guys have had a blessed week. Lord, I'm telling you. And excuse the way I look, y'all, because today I'm tired. I'm so tired. Not getting much sleep because I have a 4-month-old and a 3-year-old, and so my sleep, yeah, it's a mess. It's kind of everywhere. So yeah, my sleep is everywhere. Yum. With this food, okay. Telling y'all, this is some good food. Like, I just want to say, like, this channel is not just going to be about mukbangs. I'm probably going to be vlogging too. Yeah. So, yeah, y'all. I'm going to be vlogging too. I really did enjoy my last video, so I said at home, I really like that. I really, really like that. I had to get a table from Walmart because, y'all, I had my table, my dining room table. I'm like building a bench for it, so, and I gotta fix some stuff up. So it's not really, we can't sit there right now. So, yeah. But, yeah. So, but this chicken is good. Keep getting, y'all, I don't know. I hope y'all got something to eat, because, Lord, so good. But, I have been doing, I guess we get into a conversation. I guess I would say, probably about 5 years ago, almost 5 years ago, probably about 4, I did a YouTube video, and it's still up. This is my first video, and I had such a great response from that video that it was so crazy. I had a little over 4,000 views, and it was a review on my iPhone, my old iPhone, and everybody just liked the video. They really did. I see where I messed up in the video, but I had started doing YouTube then, and I did that first video, and it was like, I just kind of stopped, you know, and that's what messed me up. Sorry, if y'all see me looking up, I'm looking up, my TV's on the wall over here in front of me, so, but I did that first video, and I kind of stopped. I don't know why I stopped, but I just stopped after that great response on that video. And I've never been able to like get back, you know, there. I've done videos, you know. I'm just trying to find what's best for me. And I feel like that's what YouTube is about. You know, you have to find what's best for you. Me, I'm good at a lot of things. Like, I'm being honest with you. I'm good at so many things. I'm a DIYer. I can sing. I can do a lot of things, you know. But YouTube is like, I like to do makeup. I like fashion. I like going to the Goodwill, you know. Because I can do a lot of things, so I really don't want to limit myself by just doing one thing on YouTube. I really want to, like, you know, keep my options open for my channel. So, it's just, I'm just trying, y'all. I really am. Like I said, I started doing YouTube 4 years ago. And I stopped for a while. This chicken got a lot of bones in it. I don't know why. And I stopped for a while, and then, you know what I'm saying, it's like, I wanted to do it again. I wanted to do it again. I stopped. You know, it's like I was like in and out. And with YouTube, you have to be serious about it. You can't be in and out. You have to do it. If you're going to do it, you have to do it. And I was just like, wishy-washy. Wasn't sure. And so I stopped. And like I said, it just messed me up. If I had kept going after that first video, I probably would be a little where I wanted to be. But I don't know. But we're going to get there, because I've been trying to get there, y'all. And it's been a journey. And I love doing YouTube, you know. All my pregnancy updates, like, I love it. So, mukbangs is like, I watch a lot of mukbangs, by the way. I watch a lot of them. I really do. They give you so much food. Food bomb. I literally have on like no makeup today. I'm just so tired. Lord Jesus. I mean, this is my mommy break. I consider this my mommy break. My kids are with their grandmother, so this is my mommy break. And I'm spending my mommy break with y'all. And I'll probably take a nap after this. Yum. This chicken is so good. The flavors is just there. One thing I noticed though, they usually give you 4 pieces of chicken. They only gave me 3. I just realized that. They literally only gave me 3. That's all good, cause y'all, I'm not gonna finish this. I'm just not. I never do. Like, and I'm getting full now. Excuse me. I do not. Can't believe I burped. Excuse me, y'all. Sorry. What's crazy, y'all? Sorry for the little pause. I just wanted to enjoy the food for a minute. What's crazy is I don't finish it, right? But my husband ends up finishing it. Like, literally. He'll have his and eat mine too. Ain't that crazy? That man can eat. That man can eat. I keep getting in my eye. Now, he can eat. He a hungry, hungry hippo. He a hungry, hungry hippo. Like, in case y'all can tell, y'all forgot to mention, this is jerk chicken, cabbage and rice and beans. I'm sure you kind of noticed it now. It's like, girl, you should have told us that at the beginning. Sorry. This is so good. This is so freaking good. I'm like, I don't know. Any mom can understand that if you get that break, it's like, it's like, Lord, thank you. When you get that break, yes. And like, I do want to get on here when I do my mukbangs. I do want to discuss like other subjects too, like, you know, like I got an idea for the next subject, which I kind of should have discussed that in this video, but it's another topic that I kind of want to talk about. But we're gonna get into some other stuff in a different video. But y'all, this jerk food was jerking, okay? This jerk food was jerking. I'm full. I told you I'm not gonna finish. Like, I still got a lot of rice. I mean, I put a dent in it. I put a dent in it, I tell you that much. That's all I did. I never finished. Never. Sorry, y'all. But I never finished. Like, never. I could not eat that much. Like, I eat, but it's like I can't physically, like, eat all that food. Like, not at once. So, I always end up having it for the next day and stuff like that. So, yeah. Let me take one little bite of rice, y'all, because this rice was ricing, okay? This rice was ricing. But I am gonna have discussions on here, because I think that'll be good to discuss different things. Just give my kind of like opinion on things and stuff like that, and just to be able to just engage and talk and just, you know, let y'all, you know a little bit about me, you know. So yeah, I can't wait to do all of that. But y'all, excuse me, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry for burping like that. But Lord, my necklace has been inside the whole time. Lord. And y'all, excuse me for coming on camera like this. This is my mommy time. This is my mommy time. I took my mommy time. I got me some jerk chicken. Well, some jerk house. It's called Jerk House. The place where I live. I got me some jerk house. And I just say, let me just do this video. Because I feel like I just need to, you know, get out there, do more videos, and, you know, do what I really want to do, which is YouTube, and, you know, be firm in it or whatever. And I love the last video I did. I enjoyed myself. I had a good time, and that sauce was bomb. So I said, let me just go ahead and do it again, because I really enjoyed that. But and the sauce is gone, so I gotta buy some more. But yeah, but y'all, yes, I'm so excited to be bringing these videos to y'all. I'm super excited about that. So yes, you guys. Yes, you. I want to come up with a name. So I said yes, you guys. But I need to come up with like something, a name. I don't know. We're going to figure that out. But yes, y'all. I'm going to just get off of here because, yeah. Probably take me a nap because I still have my mommy time. So yes. But yes, y'all. I really appreciate y'all watching this video today, y'all. We're going to have a lot more different foods coming. I thank you guys for watching this video today. Be blessed. But I do want to say this, and this is the way I end all my videos. If they serve you no purpose, if they're not bringing anything to your life, but you're bringing everything to their life, let them go. Let him go, let her go, let them go, period. And y'all have a blessed and wonderful day, night, where you're watching this video. See you soon.